In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send bulk emails in Apollo.io, a popular platform used for sales and marketing efficiency. Whether you're looking to reach a vast audience or streamline your communication strategy, Apollo.io offers a straightforward method to send emails in bulk with exceptional ease. First, you'll need to log into your Apollo.io account. Find your way to the home dashboard, and once you're there, you'll see a variety of options available. Focus your attention on the Sequences tab. This feature is crucial as it allows you to automate email campaigns tailored to your specific audience. Click on Sequences. If you have a sequence already created, you can activate it here. This step is pivotal because once activated, Apollo.io will handle the sending of emails automatically for you. Now, as an alternative approach, let's navigate over to the Lists tab. Lists are a powerful feature that enables you to organize and manage your contacts effectively. Once you're in the Lists section, click on the specific list that contains the leads you want to email. Here, you'll find all the information you need to make your communication more targeted and personalized. After you've selected the desired list, look for an option to select all the contacts within that list. This makes the next steps far more efficient, ensuring you reach every intended recipient without missing anyone out. Once you've got your leads selected, look for the email icon. Clicking this will open up an email draft, ready for you to customize your communication. Consider adding your email as well, or people in CC or BCC fields if needed. This is particularly useful for looping in team members or stakeholders who should be aware of the email's content without being primary recipients themselves. One helpful feature Apollo.io offers is the ability to use templates. If you have pre-prepared email templates, now is the time to make use of them. Not only does this save time, but it also maintains consistency across your communications. Type in the subject line next. Craft it carefully to capture your recipient's attention swiftly, since this is the first thing they see. With the subject in place, turn your focus to the body of the email. Enter the content of your message, making sure it is clear, concise, and engaging to your audience. Double check and ensure there are no errors in your writing. Finally, you have the option to either send the emails immediately by clicking Send Separately, or plan them at a later time using the Schedule function. Scheduling allows you added flexibility, letting you choose a specific time for the emails to go out, perhaps considering different time zones your audience might be in. When you're happy with your schedule settings, confirm by selecting Schedule. With this, your bulk emails are set to reach your chosen audience at your preferred time, allowing you to focus on the response and follow through for future actions. And there you have it, a simple yet effective method to leverage the power of Apollo.io for your bulk email needs. Happy emailing!